Virginia. We went to Florida, but I wasn't mommy and dad.
So, this is the morning. What time it is, babe?
It is 8:09.
It is 8:09. We had went to breakfast at the hotel. And now we about to go and let the kids play and sing. Spooker's first time. Got to see his reaction to his feet touching sand.
Big boy.
Mommy, look at that car. That's your car.
I could dig it down here though. I like how people like already they up running. People riding their bikes.
That's crazy.
This is kind of cool though.
Look at something like that.
That's sweet.
Like the environment is cool.
That's so sweet.
People not asleep.
Mama.
Bro, stop touching it, Noe. I don't know what he's talking about this.
That's a red scooter.
Stop, Noe. Hey, people are up in the morning, yo.
People out.
Got a whole running little club going on. Yeah, just walk that way. No, y'all just walk diagonal. Walk diagonal. Come
No,
on,
we
baby.
don't like the diamond. Oh, look, it's swings.
Huh?
Swings.
There's what?
Swings.
Oh, it is swings. On the beach. Baby swings. You see? Spook. It's your first time in the sand, Spook. Babe, what's your first reaction to this morning?
This morning was amazing.
Right?
Eat breakfast. Everybody slept good.
The Eagles.
The Eagles. Look at the Eagles, everybody. These are Eagles.
A lot of people in the hotel room.
A beach and a mountain. Look at that view right there, man.
Dad, you can see
You heard him? Man, you can see islands. Islands. Tristan, you saw islands? Those are boats, yeah, I know.
I saw somebody surfing.
Go, Pooker. Go, Pook.
He's scared, Papa.
No, E.
No.
Ready to find the shells?
Look at the back of it.
That's crazy.
She shells. Look at all that water cold.
Nah, you gangster for doing that. Stop! Stop!
Throw that water. I'm going that water.
That GTA showed me like a little submarine.
I wonder if they're swimming to the buoy.
That's what I was thinking, like around it.
Let's see if I get bro. Come on, bro. Come on, give me a good one. Give me a good one. Oh, she missed it. She missed it.
Seashell.
Come here, Pooker. Look at that. Shaquille O'Neal. I got Shaq back there dunking. This is crazy. We got the Black Mamba. Yo.
I don't know who that is.
I don't care about her. We're on Melrose. I said I don't care about Melrose. Look at this famous Pink's hot dogs. But I'm actually about to go to to the Marathon store. Y'all ready? You did it, babe? Yeah, come on, Pooker. Come on, Pooker.
Or do you have to put the ticket thing inside the window?
We're going into the Marathon store. Oh yeah, go ahead.
I like the back.
You like the bathtub? How's your LA trip going?
So fun.
So fun so far?
We've seen so much.
Already, right?
Yes.
And we got some Pink's hot dogs.
What's up, homies? What's up,
Come on.
bro? What's up, chicken ass?
I want you to open it up just so I can see right quick. Let's see what she got for the fam.
Alright, so this box is Cameron and Elise. They got bacon cheese fries.
Whoa.
Dad tax.
Alright, come on.
And then we got
Hot dogs.
hot dogs, plain one for Spooker, and my hot dog.
What's yours called?
Carl Rayner dog.
A Carl Rayner dog. Okay. Alright, so a Pink's hot dog review. Pink's is right there. Famous hot dog place in LA. Come on.
Carl Rayner dog.
What you got? It's good? Whose hot dog that is?
I don't know. Where'd it come from? It's Spooker's.
It's Pooker's.
Hey, look at my, where my God?
It keep falling.
It's exactly the
Lily, get in the front, baby. Come on. Get in the front, baby. You had to take a picture?
Oh, yeah.
You should have brought your thing so you can keep them.
I know, I realized that we got off the car. I took it off to put the film in, and I... People who died?
Nah, these are famous stars.
Wow.
I said, excuse me. You keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. You say, excuse me. You keep walking. What y'all stopping for? You stop too. Keep walking. Sit down, Spook. Watch out, Cameron. Let me look at the car.
Dad, you remember that Chinese dude and Smokey had one here?
Yeah, yeah.
And that Chinese dude kept on running away, and Smokey kept on getting him.
Alright, y'all come on. Yeah, sit down.
That's the same dog.
Y'all want to walk inside? Oh, never mind. Come on. next door?
Yeah, it's next door.
Yeah, it's this. How you doing? Huh?
Are we gonna get flipped over? No, we
You can
maybe.
interact with all the items in the spaces. We just ask that you don't pull too hard because it can't come out the ceiling.
Oh yeah.
All the drawers and everything open up, and if you need any ideas on the photos you can take, you can just scan the QR code and it'll give you examples that people have taken previously.
Ah, okay. That's not very nice. So this is the house. It has a surprise. Look at that. Oh.
Daddy. They know sometimes. I keep going.
Driving.
I'll go check it out. Just hop over. I got this one, Kimmy. Ooh. Yeah, please spray. It smells like dogs.